I had 95% blockage of an artery that was going 2 different ways. So if I had waited any longer, I would be dead right now.
All of a sudden I started having this really kind of burning pain up into my throat.
I started to have some kind of an achiness in my chest that I hadn't really ever felt before. I also noticed I was having pain run down, started on one side of my jaw and my neck, and then the other side started.
I walked into the emergency room and the girls took one look at me and immediately shuttled me back to the ER. The emergency doctor came in and said, "Mrs. Tomlinson, you're having an MI as we speak."
Before I knew it, within I think four or 5 days, I was, being scheduled for an angiogram and then told that I needed to have surgery.
I was frightened beyond belief, to be honest with you, because I just hadn't, other than having my children and a rotator cuff fixed once when I was younger, that was it.
Going into the angiogram at Saint Agnes was, it might sound kind of silly, but it was kind of, I wasn't afraid or nervous. They just put me at such ease.
They take the fear away, even though you are afraid.
The experience was amazing. All the staff there they knew how nervous I was, and they just took care of me.
Listen to your body. There's a reason why you don't really feel good. The pain that I had initially for such a long time was in my upper back. And I wouldn't have ever thought that that had anything to do with my heart.
You need to pay attention to the risks that are in your family history. So if you have it, that's a big one. You've got to pay attention. If you are in a risk group because you're overweight, or because you have diabetes, or you have high blood pressure.
I know a lot of women, personally, who don't pay attention. They're busy doing other things and, oh, it'll be better tomorrow, or it'll go away, or I must just be out of shape, which is exactly what I thought. Listen to your body and it will tell you before anyone else or anything else if something isn't right.
You know what I learned from this? I learned my family is the most important thing, and I'll do whatever I can to stay healthy.